weather message. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan, southwestern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cement City, or 13 miles north of Hudson, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Unstead around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tecumseh and Clinton around 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, Macon, Springville, Cambridge Junction, Bridgewater, Ridgeway, Tipton, and Pleasant Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lenawee, Michigan,